How to change account password in Falcon Mega Track. Go to falconmegatrack.com website. Enter your login ID and password. And click on Login. To change your account password in Falcon Mega Track, go to your account details and click on Change My Password. A Change Password window will appear. Enter your current password and your new password. To make a strong password, use at least 8 characters, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Re-enter your new password in the Confirm the New Password field. After entering data in all text fields, click the Save button to update your password. The account password has been successfully changed. For further assistance, send an email to support@falconmegasolutions.com. Thanks for watching.